Got the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max and want to keep it safe without sacrificing style? You're in the right place. In this video, we're checking out the best cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max available on Amazon right now. From slim and minimalist designs to rugged, heavy-duty protection, these cases are built to shield your phone while still showcasing its premium look. Let's take a look at the top picks that combine protection and style for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Number 1. Spigen Enzo Aramid T case for iPhone 17 Pro Max. When you're investing in a premium phone like the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you want a case that not only protects it but also matches its level of sophistication. That's where the Spigen Enzo Aramid T case comes in. The moment you hold it, you'll notice the sleek design and the attention to detail. The diamond-cut anodized hardware gives it a premium, non-corrosive finish that looks as good as it feels, and you can instantly tell this is built to last. What really sets it apart is the advanced AeroCore Aramid material paired with resilient TPU. It feels lightweight yet firm, so you know your phone is secure without adding unnecessary bulk. The capacitive T-cover is another standout feature. With touch-sensitive technology built right in, capturing photos and videos feels seamless, almost like an extension of the phone itself. Number 2. TORRAS Ostand Q3 case for iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you're looking for a case that blends comfort, style, and serious functionality, the TORRAS Ostand Q3 for the iPhone 17 Pro Max might be exactly what you need. The first thing you'll notice is the premium liquid silicone. It has this velvety, skin-like touch that feels so natural in your hand, almost like holding smooth skin. And it stays comfortable even during long use. It's food-grade, eco-friendly, and more durable than standard silicone, so you get that luxury feel without compromising on safety or protection. But here's where it gets really exciting: the built-in stand. The quad-axis hinge lets you flip, hover, and lock your phone into preset angles, turning it into a pocket-sized tripod or workstation. Whether you're shooting selfies, recording a cooking tutorial, or watching a video hands-free, the stand makes it effortless. Then there's the magnetic power. With N52 magnets and hallback array tech, it locks onto your charger instantly and charges up to 65% faster, all while staying rock solid even on bumpy car rides. Number 3. Temdan case for iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you want a case that brings power, protection, and convenience all in one, the Temdan iPhone 17 Pro Max case is a game changer. The first thing you'll notice is the super strong built-in magnetic ring. It locks perfectly with magsafe accessories, chargers, wallets, battery packs, even car mounts, and it stays secure no matter how often you use it. Poke, charging feels effortless and faster, and you'll never have to worry about the magnet loosening over time since it's been tested under extreme pressure to ensure it never falls off. What really makes this case stand out is the innovative hands-free stand. With a durable angled design, it hovers and locks at multiple positions, letting you enjoy hands-free video calls, movies, or even cooking tutorials. It's been tested to withstand over 30,000 fold, so you can count on it lasting. Of course, protection is where Temdan delivers big. With reinforced drop-proof technology, raised screen and camera edges, and a shock-absorbing build, your phone is safe from scratches, bumps, and accidental drops. Number 4. Kaku case for iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you're looking for a case that truly does it all, the Kaku Magic Stand series for the iPhone 17 Pro Max is in a league of its own. From the moment you snap it on, you'll feel how well it's engineered. Kaku is the first to combine strong magnetic technology with a foldable invisible kickstand, and the result is both sleek and practical. The aerospace-grade aluminum alloy stand is hidden until you need it, and once it's out, it locks your phone in place whether you're watching a movie, following a recipe, or taking a video call. It just works flawlessly. When it comes to protection, CASEKOO doesn't cut corners. With 16-foot drop protection, reinforced camera coverage, shock-absorbing AirPad cushioning, and a raised bezel, your phone stays safe from drops, scratches, and everyday wear. Add in the anti-slip grip and oil-resistant matte finish, and you've got a case that's as durable as it is stylish. Number 5. Tocol case for iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you've been searching for a case that combines sleek style with dependable protection, the Tocol iPhone 17 Pro Max case is one you'll want to check out. From the moment you hold it, you'll notice the slim, translucent matte finish. It gives your phone a modern, stylish look while also adding just the right amount of grip. At only 0.05 inches thin, it keeps the iPhone's slim profile intact, but doesn't compromise when it comes to safeguarding your device. One of the highlights here is the embedded magnetic ring. With 18N of ultra-strong power, it connects effortlessly to all your MagSafe accessories. Whether you're snapping on a charger or securing your phone to a magnetic car mount, it stays perfectly aligned and firmly in place even over rough bumps. Best of all, it's built right into the case, so it won't ever fall out or wear down.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.